Take a look at this video from Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Historic rainfall Wednesday evening brought more than 20 inches of rain to the area. In total, more than 25 inches fell in 24 hours, enough to close the Fort Lauderdale airport for 2 days and send 600 residents to emergency shelters due to the flooding. Hi, I'm weather and radar meteorologist Mary Mays, and active weather is expected to continue into the weekend. Let's start with the system that caused all of that trouble in South Florida. The system is moving out, but it could produce a strong storm or two with damaging winds and hail in the Carolinas and southern Virginia today. It will bring showers and a few rumbles of thunder into the mid-Atlantic and northeast as it continues to move north into the first half of the weekend. Another system is set to bring the threat of strong storms, and that system's moving out of the Rockies into the plains today. Low pressure, along with a trailing cold front, is going to dominate the weekend weather forecast. As this system strengthens, it's going to be moving into the central plains, and a few strong storms may form along a dry line this evening, stretching from central Oklahoma into Iowa and even as far north as southern Minnesota. Large hail and damaging winds are the main threats, especially in north central Oklahoma and into central Kansas. You need to be weather aware. As the low pressure and trailing cold front continue to move east on Saturday, powerful storms could extend from the Gulf Coast to the Midwest, and that will be during the afternoon and nighttime hours. Once again, large hail and damaging winds are the main threats, but this system could also produce a few tornadoes on Saturday. The greatest threat for severe weather extends from the Arklatex region into Missouri, and there is an enhanced risk, which is a level 3 out of 5, right over Arkansas. The system will start to weaken by Sunday, but isolated severe thunderstorms may stretch all the way from Michigan into central Florida. Parts of Georgia and South Carolina are highlighted under a slight risk on Sunday. Now, the warm sector of this system is producing that severe weather threat, but wintry weather is going to be possible on the cooler side. Snow showers and even some ice will stretch from the Rockies today into the upper Midwest over the weekend. The temperature radar also shows a significant cool down in the wake of that cold front. If you're on the West Coast, you're going to see some action this weekend as well. A weak front moves onshore and starts to wash out over the Pacific Northwest Saturday, and then another stronger front will bring more rounds of rain and snow for the Pacific Northwest on Sunday. If you have outdoor plans this weekend, check the weather radar and the temperature radar before heading outside. And of course, download the Weather and Radar app if you haven't already.